take a few minutes to get a couple of them done, and then we'll review them. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Yes, sir. Excuse me, Emmanuel.
For number 3, is that a division symbol or like?
It's a division symbol. My computer wouldn't cooperate with me, so I had to draw it in.
I can barely see.
Look, wrong way. A little better?
Yes, sir.
Is that 6, 8 or just
6 8. Has everybody got at least the first couple of them done?
No,
Okay, we'll give you just a couple more minutes. We're gonna review them, so, let's go ahead and start our review. Let's look at number 1. Any volunteers, raise your hand. Number 1. Go ahead, Emmanuel. What do we do here?
Put 24 over 1.
So we do 6 8
6 8 times 24 over 1.
times 24 over 1. Okay, what do we get?
6 times 24 is 144. 8 times 20 plus 8. So 144 over 8.
Okay, now we need to simplify that. So what did you get as a simplification?
Oh, I didn't say.
Okay. What did you get? Bertram?
I got 18.
You got 18?
Yes, sir.
Okay, does everybody know how he got 18?
Yeah. We saw how many times eight to
18 plus 8. I mean, 18 times 8.
So what we did, everybody know we did this, right? We did 144, and we did 8, right? 8 times 1 is 8. Bring our 8 down. We can't take, we can't subtract 8 from 4, so we borrow 1, make that 14. Make that a 0. What's 14 minus 8?
6.
6. We bring down our 4, right?
Yes.
Okay. 8 times what equals?
8.
8 times 8 equals 64. You get 0, that's how we got 8. Okay, someone want to read number 2 for me, please? You had your hand up first. Go ahead for me, please, ma'am.
There are 32 students in class 3A. If the students bring their own lunch, that means students bring their own lunch.
Okay, so what type of problem are we in? What type of problem was number 1?
Multiply.
Multiply. So we're going to do another multiplication problem. So, somebody want to help me set it up? You want to help me set it up for me, please? What will we do?
32
Times 3/8.
Put the 1 under the 32.
So we put the one under 32. Okay, so what is 32 times 3? 96.
Teachers, would you please send me Darren Davis, because I'll be
8, right?
reaching out Darren Davis.
Okay, so how many times will 8 go into 96?
12.
12 times. Did everybody understand how we got that? Same
Yes,
thing as
sir.
we did the first time? Okay, so 12 times 8 would be 96. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, you want to help me with the third, number 3? What do we do? It's a division problem. So what do? We do the keep change flip. Or as I called it, the Kentucky chicken fried. So what do? We keep what? Okay. What do we do with the division symbol? Change it to multiplication. Then we flip the 1/6, right? Okay, did anybody have a problem when we putting the 7 over 1? Putting the 1 under the 7? Anybody have a problem with that?
No.
Okay, so that way we multiply and fraction straight across, right? Well, 7 times 6.
42.
Which equals
Over
what?
1 equals 42. The whole number.
Equals 42. Here's a piece of lead. Okay, let's look at number 4. You had your hand up. Go ahead, tell me.
Water filled 1/4 of the elephant's pail at the zoo. How much water does the pail hold?
Okay, so what do we do?
Multiply.
Multiply. Good job. So what do we have to set it up for me, please, ma'am?
3.
3
Over 1.
over 1. Okay.
Times 1/4.
Times 1/4. Okay, so what do we do?
Multiply.
All right, so
3
3.
times 1 equals 3. And 1 times 4 equals 4. Equals 7. It's equals 75%.
That's right, it equals 75%. So our answer is 3/4, right?
Yes, sir.
Know what everybody got?
Yes, sir.
All right, so how many gallons? Let's see. So then we would do what now?
1 gallon holds 4 quarts.
1 gallon. That's right. 1 gallon holds. But we're not through with it. 1 gallon holds 4 quarts. You're right. It's back there on the chart. So if 1 gallon, it takes 1/4 of a gallon. 1/4. It takes 3/4 of a gallon to make, is this, what is it? How much water does one pail hold? Alright, so we need to multiply that, what we need to do, we need to multiply that, how many times? It said 4 quarts equals a gallon, so how many times do we need to add 3/4 together?
4,
3 more times, alright? Okay, because that's only 1/4 of a gallon, so we need to do it to make sure that we get, so what is this equal to? What is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3?
9,
Then
12.
12.
Oh, you did it 3 times.
We have to add 3 more to it. Now, they have 12 over 12 fourths. What does 12 fourths simplify to?
21?
I can't see that, I'm sorry.
3.
To 3. Okay, so it takes, so that's, so we,
3 more gallons.
huh?
3 more gallons.
It takes 3 whole gallons, it takes, 3 more gallons to fill up his water tank. I mean, his water pail. Alright, let's look at the next one. Who wants to help me with that one? I've already heard it from you. Okay. Number 5, excuse me. What is that?
Length times width.
Area equals length times width. Somebody want to have, length times width times height. Thank you, miss. Very good. Okay, who wants to read number 7? Go ahead.
George wants to build a fish tank that has a base area of 45 feet. The height of the tank is 22 feet. What is the volume of George's fish tank?
Okay.
Multiply.
So we're doing volume. Okay, so I have a base area of what? 45 feet squared, right? So the problem has already given us our area, right? Length times width. If you look down the bottom of my little square here, it's already given us our area, right? So what do we do? What do we need to do next?
Multiply.
Multiply what?
45 times 22.
45 times 22?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since you go ahead and continue, since you were helping me, go ahead and continue. Let's multiply.
10.
5 times 2 is 10.
10.
0 now carry you 1.
Carry 1.
4 times 2.
It's 8 plus 1 is 9.
Alright.
Add 0.
Add 0. Now what?
10. 9 and 2 times 4 is 8.
8 plus 1 is 9, right? So now let's add.
990.
Bring our 0 down, bring our 9 down, bring our 9 down. So we have 990
Feet.
feet. That's feet. Our
3
feet what?
Feet squared. Cubic inches.
cubic.
Feet cubed, right? We multiplied.
We go to 3. We go to 3.
Yeah, I put inches. It's my fault. All right. Someone wants to read our objective for today. Berkeley, go ahead.
By the end of the lesson, students will have a better understanding of prior learned objectives by reviewing skills in small groups, resulting in school growth as measured by teacher observation and the quality of student work.
Okay. Today we're going to do a review of quadrilaterals. In a small group, we're going to continue that review. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you watch a short video on quadrilaterals, and then we'll move to small group.
Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. Parallelograms, rhombus, trapezoids, squares and rectangles. And if you add the angles inside each of these, there will be 360 degrees. Parallelograms have 2 sets of parallel lines. Trapezoids only have 1 set at a time. A rectangle has 4 right angles. A rhombus has 4 sides that are equal. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. Parallelograms, rhombuses, trapezoids, squares and rectangles. And if you add the angles inside each of these, there will be 360 degrees.
Now we're going to, we're gonna review, basically what the, video did. We're gonna do a review of it. Someone wanna read that for me? If you would read that for me.
Polygons that have 4 sides and 4 angles are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals can be classified by looking at the numbers of parallel sides, the length of their sides, and the measures of their angles.
Okay, so what did it say in here? It has, the polygons have what?
4 sides,
Have 4 sides
4
and
angles.
4 angles. And that makes them what?
Quadrilateral.
Good job. Okay, so what we're gonna be classifying them as the quadrilaterals as by, we're classifying them as what? The number of parallel sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what else? The length of their sides and the measurements of their angles. Good job. Okay, so let's look at what I want you guys to do is I'm gonna read this down and then we're gonna go across, okay? So let's look at the first one. It says number of parallel sides. Okay, what did Miss Perry call the trapezoid?
The crazy
The crazy one, right? Because it doesn't have anything in common with anything else except it has what? It has 4 sides. That's right. It's a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. It has 1 pair of parallel lines. So let's look at our example down at the bottom here. Our example. What happens eventually with our lines? They eventually, yeah, right. We've got 2 sets of parallel lines right here, right? There's one pair. Eventually, they're going to what? They're going to intersect. Good job. All right, let's look at, so it has 0 pairs of congruent sides. It has 0 pairs of equal sides, right?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't have, so it doesn't have any congruent angles either. It has 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's look at a parallelogram. How many number of parallel sides does it have?
2 pairs.
2 pairs. And what else? It has a number of congruent sides. What? 2 pairs. And number of congruent angles.
2 pairs.
2 pairs. So it has what? 2 sets of parallel lines, right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
those two, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so it has equal side. It has equal sides, right? So all 4 sides are equal. Okay, and it has all 4 angles on the inside are all the same, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's look at a rectangle. It has what? 2 sets of what? 2 pairs of what? Parallel lines? Okay, it has two pairs of congruent sides. And it's different, it has what? All four angles. So, when we're looking at a rectangle, it has four sets, it has four what? What are these? What are these corners? It has four right angles, good job. Then what does it have? The same thing, it has what? Two sets of parallel lines?
Yes,
So they go this way and this way, okay? And they, like I said, they have four angles. All right, now let's look at a rhombus. It has what? Two pairs of parallel lines. All four sides are congruent or equal.
Two pairs of right angles.
And it has two sets of parallel lines. They go this way and this way. Okay? All right, now let's look at the square. It has what? Two pairs of parallel lines. All four sides are equal, and all four angles are equal. So it has what right here?
90-degree angle.
It has two sets of 90-degree angles, right? All four corners of 90-degree angles, right? It has what? Two sets of parallel lines. These are one set. These are two sets. Okay? So, it has, like I said, like I said, parallel lines, do the parallel lines ever meet?
No.
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 Okay. Do you have any questions before we move to small group? No questions? Okay. So would the first group please line up on the curtain, and my second group will usually either be on Stern or Study Island, please. We're gonna make rectangles. Who doesn't have one?
I need a rubber band.
Anybody else need a rubber band?
No, man.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this review sheet that I just did. We're gonna make what I want you to do.
Oh, I made something.
Whenever I ask you to make
Look.
whenever I ask you to make make one of these symbols, I want you to make it and then hold, we'll make it with the rubber band, and I want you to hold it up so I can see it, okay? Let's try. All right, well, it's all right, let's look, all right, the first one I want you to make is a trapezoid. That's the first one, so take your rubber bands.
What trapezoid?
A trapezoid, look up there, I left it up there so we can see it. The trapezoid has one pair of parallel lines, and then the other two are at an angle.
Hold on. Look, man.
Oh, can we help?
You make one of them? Yes, it's our picture. Alright, so when you make it. Let me see. That's good.
Yeah.
And one, let me see. When you make it, hold it up so I can see it.
I'm gonna learn.
Oh, she, that's all. Oh, look at mine.
That's the trapezoid that has two sides. It says one pair of parallel lines.
We gotta do the parallel line.
Right, has everybody gotten the trapezoid, you guys?
Like this, they must be.
That's fine, yeah, those are all trapezoids. Let's go ahead and make a parallel one, please.
I don't wanna do that.
Alright, the best thing to do for a parallel one. And then angle. That's what it looks like. Make your rectangle, make your rectangle, and then angle the lines. When you get through, let me see. Hold it up so I can see. That's good.
You gotta do it sideways.
You have to make it sideways. You can make it up and down. You can make it up and down, make it up and down. That's good. Right, you've got a rectangle. Take one corner on the top, bring it down.
You like mine, Miss Wood?
Good job.
Like this. It's a noise.
No, it's a.
Do it like this.
Oh, look. Man, this ain't right.
Do it like this at first. Like that one. Oh, thank
Like
you.
this.
I did.
Good job.
No, all right, watch. You make a square.
Then put it on here. Like this. We can make a rubber snake.
No, that's not it. Oh, no, yeah, it
What's
is.
wrong with this is this rubber band is shorter rubber band. No, I mean the rubber band is.
We doing a rectangle mix.
That's what I was gonna tell you. Make a rectangle. See your rubber bands too. Make your rectangle. Stretch that one.
Rectangle. Here's
And then take that one off. See? Oops. See what I did? You just make a rectangle and you make an angle. Alright, now,
Gotta do a rectangle.
alright, for a rectangle, all you have to do for a rectangle
do it like that.
is just basically back it up.
Okay.
When you make a rectangle, let me see
Oh,
them.
that's not a rectangle. Look at mine.
Good job. Did you guys get one?
Look.
Good job. Good job, Dave.
But mine's too
Nice
short.
trapezoid. That's good.
Oh, look. That ain't no rumble, no.
Alright, now,
What we gotta do now?
the next thing we're gonna do is a rhombus.
Oh, Lord. You wonder how to do a rhombus? I mean,
Oh. She could be the home.
oh, that's a rumble.
I'm bad at this.
Okay.
Okay, here's a rhombus. Everybody see? It's a diamond. Going down the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, there it
Did
goes.
you get one?
Check, what was yours?
Oh,
Okay. Next, no.
I looked at Mr. Williamson and saw which one was the line. Oh, yeah, wait.
You're on yours, hold yours up.
Oh!
There you do, you got it.
Oh!
Alright, there you go. Good job, Ben.
Now it's
Put
a
your
square now.
top and the bottom,
Oh,
and
look.
then pull the two sides out.
Look at that.
Oh, I got it.
Y'all got mine too. Got mine too. It's crazy.
Good job. There you go, there's your rhombus. Alright, so with the square, it's just, a rhombus is a square because it has all four congruent sides, so watch this.
Where's the whole
The
thing?
square is easy.
Who's doing this?
The square is simple, you just do this one. See, most of your, if you have one of these bigger ones, it's kind of easy to cheat because it's got the little square in the middle, so it's easy for you. That's why I got this one.
Look, I got
See,
some
there you go.
Look.
There you go.
Watch this.
You guys get squares, so that's
Yes,
right.
he got her.
We good.
Alright, now let's go ahead and, that's all we got all of them. The square was the last one. So what we need to do now, let's go ahead and, pass these back, so that the ones that have boxes, let's put them back in the boxes. You'll end up shooting somebody.
I put them right here, because it makes me run fast.
I know what you're gonna do with the rubber band.
Oh, hey.
Alright, let's go ahead and pass them back.
Look.
Alright, if they had boxes, let's see if we can put them back in the box.
Oh, Mr. Williams, what box?
You
You took my
got a
box.
full square, see?
Somebody took my box.
See, he figured it out, alright, he did a square,
Somebody took my.
see what he did, he made a square. And
I
what-
did that.
Right, but see what he made a rhombus, all he did was turn it to the side. You see,
Man.
you know that a square and a rhombus have what, all four sides are equal, right?
This is a rhombus.
So you make a square and just turn it sideways.
Somebody took my box.
That's okay.
Yeah, box this.
Alright, let's go ahead and pass them forward.
That's
Pass
all?
them back to me. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I've got a fun worksheet for you guys to do.
Oh, fun.
It's fun, trust me.
She had one.
Alright, we're going to go through these as we're going along. Would you reach behind me, please, sir? Maybe. Pass one more back for me, please, sir.
So all you gotta do just circle these.
Okay, we're gonna, yeah, yes. I'm working on it.
Show me something.
All
I'll
you
let you finish
you
that.
just got to circle these.
Right, we're gonna identify them.
Identify.
Well, classify them, yes, we're gonna identify them so that because at the bottom